Hello friends, today we are going to see one more topic from the curve fitting, that is fitting of a exponential curve y is equal to a into e raised to bx. So we will see how to solve this problem. Let's take a problem. Fit a exponential curve y is equal to a into e raised to bx to the data. So data provided is x and y. The values of x are 2, 4, 6 and 8. Values for y are 25, 38, 56 and 84. So let's see how to solve this problem. We have to fit a curve y is equal to a into e raised to bx. As this is an exponential curve, we have to take log to the base e from both sides. So log of y to the base e is equal to log of a into e raised to bx. So we have to apply one rule here. Log of m into n, it is equal to log of m plus log of n. So this will become log of a plus log of e raised to bx to the base e. Now this equation will become log of y is equal to log of a plus this bx will come to this side, bx into log of e to the base e. We know that the value of log of e to the base e is 1, so this term will get disappear. So log of y to the base e is equal to log of a plus b into x will be the our equation. Now we have to convert this equation. Let's consider this log of y to the base e as a capital Y, this a as a capital B, this b as a capital A, and this small x as a capital X. Now we have to prepare a table according to this. So I have already prepared a table for the same. So I have taken the values for the x. So I have taken the values for the x. So the given values for the x are 2, 4, 6, 8. So as capital X and small x are same, I will consider the same values. But the values for the capital Y are log of small y. So I will write here log of small y, and these values are calculated and its summation is calculated. Capital X is equal to the small x, so there is no need to calculate it separately. So capital X is equal to the small x. Now I have taken the product of the capital X and capital Y, and then capital X square. So I have summation of capital X, then summation of capital Y, then summation of product of capital X and Y, and summation of x square in the red. So now I have to calculate the values of a and b. So the equations are a summation x plus n into b is equal to summation y, then a summation x square plus b summation x is equal to the summation xy. So I will put the values into these two equations. A summation x, what is summation x? Summation x is 20a plus n into b. So n is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4b is equal to summation y. So summation y is 15.31. After this, a summation x square. So summation x square is 120. 120a plus b summation x. Summation x is 20. 20b is equal to summation xy. Summation xy is equal to 80.5867. So these are the two equations. We will solve these two equations simultaneously by using calculator directly, and we will calculate the values for a and b. So those who don't know how to calculate these values directly from the calc, they can refer my previous video. The description, in the description I have provided the link for the same. So by calculating directly these two equations, the values for the a and b obtained are, for value of a 0.2018, and the value of b is 2.818325. These are the values of A and B, but I am not interested in capital A and capital B. We are required as a small a and small b. So we'll check. So here capital A is equal to the small b. So small b is equal to capital A is equal to 0.201835. Now we have to find out the small a. So log to the base e of small a is equal to capital B. So a is equal to the e raised to b. So we will calculate this value. A is equal to e raised to b 2.818325. So it is equal to 2.818325. So this value is 16.7487, and our equation is y is equal to a into e raised to bx. So it is equal to, what is a? The value for small a is equal to 16.7487 into e raised to bx. What is b? 0.201835 into x. So this is our required equation. Thank you.